Hi there! Today we have this amazing Wi-Fi 6 gaming router from Asus and the design truly looks like a spacecraft. Absolutely loving it. Now this is a dual band Wi-Fi 6 router that also comes with its own dedicated app and a dedicated gaming mode too. In this video we shall cover its design, its performance, all its security features, gaming optimization and overall value to see if this router is worth buying or not. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging of the Asus Wi-Fi router. This is the AX5700 dual band RT-AX86U model number. Wi-Fi 6 compatible, Wi-Fi system AI mesh, mobile game mode, 2.5 GHz port and so much more. On the side here you can see the ports that are going to be visible behind the router. Towards the back you have some more information about its speed, about the app. On the other side here are the key specifications and the contents of the packaging. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. So right on the top you have some paperwork, lots of it actually, including the VIP warranty card, quick setup guide. Here is the power cord, then an RJ45 cable, 3 antennas of the router itself, and the extension power supply of the router. So first thing is we'll screw the external antennas to the router. It's super simple. There you go. Alright, let's talk about the build and design. So as mentioned earlier, it comes with this very futuristic spacecraft design, matte finish and 3 gaming antennas that give off a gaming aesthetic. There is a subtle red accent at the bottom, clearly showcasing its gaming DNA, but it's not over the top and blends in well into any setup. It stands vertically on the sturdy base, making it ideal for desktop placement without taking up too much space. On the front of the router are the LED lights for power, internet status and network activity, giving you a quick glance of your connection. On the other side are a huge collection of ports, including 4 gigabit LAN ports, a standard WAN port, one 2.5 GHz WAN LAN port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, a reset button, power switch and the power input. It's ideal for wired connections, NAS setups and printer sharing. Overall, the build quality feels solid and I can confidently say Asus puts thought into making this router not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. By the way, this variant also comes with a 1.8 GHz quad-core processor. Hang on, there's also RAM and storage. Yes, 256 MB flash storage and 1 GB DDR3 RAM. Alright, first thing, let's set it up. So we'll plug in the power cable, then the RJ45 cable as well. Then on the laptop or PC, go to the router.asus.com website and you'll see an interface something similar to this. Now, just in case you don't have a laptop handy, you can also use the mobile application to set up the router as well. It's super convenient. Now, as you can see, I have set up 2 networks, 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. And after it was connected, we got pretty impressive internet speeds on both the networks. One of the biggest selling points of this router is support for Wi-Fi 6, which theoretically can deliver 5700 Mbps, which is absolutely crazy. By the way, you also get access to dedicated game mode and you can enable this from its mobile app. So now when you're playing online like games like Valorant over Wi-Fi or LAN, you will see very low ping and that too without any network lag, both on PC and laptop. It's truly a boon for gamers. Similarly, while mobile gaming on BGMI or Call of Duty, you won't see any lag or delay at all. Another cool feature is you can see the number of connected users and you can also allocate bandwidth of your choice. For example, I want my team member to be able to use only 50 Mbps, so I can do that directly from here. And in fact, you can also see the real-time usage here as well. It's so amazing. One of my other favorite features is that you can control this router using voice command from Alexa. Here's a quick demo. Alexa, turn off the Asus router. Here the internet isn't accessible. Let's ask it to turn it on. Alexa, turn on the Asus router. There you go. Ain't that cool? Hang on, there's more. Now there are times you have guests at home and you just want to create that temporary guest network. All you can directly say to Alexa is, Alexa, turn on guest mode.
The guest network uses Asus _guest key.
So basically, after a certain time, that guest network will automatically be turned off. It's so handy. Plus, you also get Asus AI Protection Pro. So now you can get that parental control. When you go into the app, you can add users as per their age category. So basically, parental control and protection from malware, threats and attacks. So amazing. Then this router also comes with AI mesh compatibility. So here's in the app, you can see a beautiful AI mesh interface. So now you can connect any router that comes with AI mesh compatibility. The biggest convenience of this feature is, for example, you have multiple routers in a huge space. The internet is restricted mostly around that space. So when you move on to the different spaces, AI mesh switches automatically without any internet disconnection. It's extremely seamless. Another feature for gaming enthusiasts is this router you can also open NAT support. Well, this will help you create servers like for Dota 2 or so many other online games. Alright, let's have a quick look at the Asus companion app. So right here on the home page, you can actually see the real-time traffic. If you swipe in further, you can see the connected devices. As you click on it, you can actually see which device it is and you can control further things from inside here. Then of course there's more. You can see the two networks I've created. One is a 2.4 GHz and one is a 5 GHz. And right on the top here, you can see the LAN IP. If you come to the plus, you can actually set up a new router, share guest network, add an AI mesh node. Then further down here, you can also see the AI mesh again. Then here is the everyone's favorite mobile game mode, which you can enable from here. There it is. It's so cool. Then further down here, if you come into insights here, you can see the security insights, malicious site blocking, two-way IPS, block threats, all that you can see from here. If you come into family, you can actually set profiles for your family members, so they will be restricted to content on the internet. So for example, there is a preschooler, there is a school-age child, there is a teen or an adult. So cool. If you come to the settings, you have quick internet settings, you have the AI mesh, AI protection, instant guard, you have diagnostics, parental control, gaming, QoS, USB, Wi-Fi, LAN, WAN, VPN. You can also connect it to the Alexa for voice control like we just showed you in this video. You can also connect it to a Google Assistant, router information, firmware update, system settings, notification settings, network tools, account binding, related apps, and still so much more. Overall, the app is really simple and easy to use. Check that out. Alright, final thoughts. So, if you are a gaming enthusiast who's looking for a Wi-Fi 6 router with blazing fast internet speeds, plus a host of AI features, then the Asus RT-AX86U is the router you should go for. It's currently retailing for $25,990 on Amazon.in. I'll share the link below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.